We're here to announce the results of Operation Statewide, a major law enforcement sweep targeting offenders who distribute child pornography online. These offenders, by their actions, contribute in a very real and direct way to the cruel exploitation of innocent children. True to its name, Operation Statewide cast a wide net with proactive investigations that resulted in arrests of 40 men, including men charged in all 21 counties across New Jersey. We made arrests in our cities, and we made arrests in the remote corners of our state. The message that Operation Statewide delivers to these offenders is clear. It doesn't matter where you live, whether you think you can hide your crimes by viewing these vile images in the dark seclusion of your home. We're monitoring you on the internet, and we will track you down and arrest you. These 40 arrests were made over a period of 6 months beginning in February of this year. The defendants range in age from 20 to 72. Some are unemployed, others work in a variety of fields. They include a former teacher who taught in Delran, Bristol Township, Pennsylvania, and Philadelphia. Factory workers, an accountant, computer professionals, construction workers, salesmen, food service workers, and a custodian in the Long Branch School District. One man, an IT manager, allegedly had over 76,000 images and videos of child pornography, the highest number we've encountered so far in this type of sweep. While these men come from many different walks of life, they all allegedly share a depraved desire to watch children being raped, being molested, and forced to perform sexual acts on themselves or others. We will find you. We will catch you. The technology exists, and we'll continue to use it. And I am hopeful and confident that the individuals who continue to engage in this kind of conduct watch the proceeding today and understand that we're here and we're continuing the investigation. We're not done here.